Yeah, versus EPWD Jirang division.
Yes, yes. Good morning, sir.
Yes.
उधर
नहीं ना, affiliate option है ना मामून. So PIO, can we hear from you?
सर हलावत श्याम
जी.
हाँ सर
तो आपने इंफॉर्मेशन उनको दे दिया एफएलएन को?
इंफॉर्मेशन सब रेडी है सर। जैसे लास्ट हियरिंग में भी जो बोला था वो आता ही नहीं कलेक्ट करने के लिए। जितना डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो पड़ा हुआ है।
इनका फॉर्म ए अभी आपके पास है?
फॉर्म
फॉर्म ए, इनका फॉर्म ए,
फॉर्म है सर।
इनका फॉर्म ए में ये दिया हुआ है. आपका कौन सा MOU agreement made between PWT and concerned company firm for implementation of mentioned project under PWT department. Community fencing of horticulture and agriculture field and construction retaining wall at Amkora and Baba Tangkha Diram. इसका आपका पास में इंफॉर्मेशन अभी रेडी है?
रेडी है सर, पूरा सब रेडी है।
लास्ट हियरिंग में आप नहीं थे?
लास्ट हियरिंग सर थोड़ा नेट का इशू था यहाँ दिरांग
जी
में,
जी.
वेदर
Yeah,
खराब
this
था।
is this is the second hearing. In the last hearing, you were absent, and now you are stating that the informations are ready with you.
यस सर, ऑल द
So,
इंफॉर्मेशन रेडी।
so आप आपने मामू सोन जो एपिलेंट है उनको एक कोई चिट्ठी भी लिखा है?
चिट्ठी लिखा है सर, उसको चिट्ठी लिख के भेजा है, लेकिन
जी.
उसका कोई रिस्पॉन्स तो नहीं है।
कौन सा डेट में आपने चिट्ठी को भेजा है? 29/10/25. आपका डेट को देखिए. 20.
29/10
यस.
29/10
यस.
को भेजा
यस.
था।
कोट करो
आपको
अभी.
भी कॉपी दिया हुआ है।
जी मिला है.
बस।
The appellant absent without informing the reason for his absence, despite being notified of the date for the second hearing, which is held today. PIO cum executive engineer PWD Girang division present through online mode. Heard the PIO. The PIO stated that the information as sought by the appellant are ready at his office. The appellant was also notified through a letter sent on dated 29/10/2025 to the appellant. But till now, the appellant has not received information from the office of the PIO. After hearing the PIO, the commission hereby observes: number one, the appellant Sri Mamush Tono was present during the first hearing held on 21st August 2025, on which date the next date of hearing was pronounced in the court before him. Again, in the absence of the appellant, the statement of the PIO could not be ascertained from the appellant as to he has received the letter from the PIO or not till now. Therefore, the next date of hearing be fixed by giving the appellant a fair chance of being present in the court and being heard, which we may not discuss. Under the above circumstances, the Commission hereby ordered to issue summons to the appellant to be present in the next date of hearing without bail, failing which this appeal will be heard and determined ex parte. The PIO to be present in the next date of hearing without fail, failing which necessary action shall be initiated against the PIO as per as per the provision of RTI Act 2005. Second, the next date of hearing be intimated to the appellant and no formal notice required to be issued to the PIO as he is personally present in the hearing. The Commission ordered the next date of hearing be fixed on 2nd April 2026, 1:30 p.m. तो सर 2 अप्रैल 2026 में 10:30 AM में नेक्स्ट डेट फिक्स किया है।
ओके
उसमें अगर एपिलेंट नहीं आता है तो मैं केस को डिसमिस कर दूंगा।
ठीक है सर
आप इन केस इफ यू आर बिजी दैट टाइम आल्सो डू सेंड समवन एटलीस्ट ऑनलाइन में किसी को भी आप इन केस बिजी रहता है ना तो किसी को आप नियुक्त कर दीजिएगा
ओके सर
जिसको जानकारी होगा नहीं तो फिर अननेसेसरीली वी हैव टू टेक सम एक्शन वेरिन अच्छा भी नहीं लगता है सर्टेन पीआईओस आपको नहीं बोल रहा है लाइक लास्ट टाइम द कमिश्नर आईएमसी बार बार बुलाता है नहीं आता है तो वी हैव टू सेंड अरेस्ट वारंट फॉर हिम तो एक कमिश्नर को एक अरेस्ट वारंट इशू करना थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगता है बट वी हैव टू डू कोऑपरेट नहीं करता है सो ये नेक्स्ट केस भी सर आपका ही है एपिक नंबर 188
चार तो हियरिंग है आज
हाँ
चार
हाँ
सब सेम ही है
सब आपका है सब में सर आप इंफॉर्मेशन सबके लिए रेडी है
सब रेडी है
okay the same orders will go वो अगर आने से थोड़ा डिस्कशन भी करना था उसका, वो और कोई वहां पे दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट में भी, ये लड़का जो मामू सोनो दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट में भी आरटीआई एप्लीकेशन फाइल किया कि नहीं किया, वो सब थोड़ा पूछना था। ऐसा प्रोफेशनल टाइप का आरटीआई सीकर्स को अभी हम लोग फिल्टर करना पड़ेगा। आरटीआई एक्ट इज नॉट टू बी यूज दिस वे कि हर एक डिपार्टमेंट को, हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आप ग्रुप बना के, सिंडिकेट बना के ऐसा आरटीआई फाइल करेगा। हम ये सब केसेस को अभी डिसमिस कर रहा है। ये सिंडिकेट बना के आरटीआई को, इट कैनॉट बी ए सिंडिकेट थिंग, ये सब डिस्कस करना था, वो नहीं आया है, आना चाहिए था।
मेरा मेरा डिवीजन में उसका सर 14 एप्लीकेशन है। मेरा डिवीजन में 14 एप्लीकेशन मामो सुनो।
This thing should be brought to the notice when he is here so that I can initiate action. अभी एक दो को ब्लैक लिस्ट भी करना पड़ेगा, थोड़े देखे फाइल आरटीआई एनीमोर। लाइक गुजरात में किया है, तो गुजरात कमीशन ने किया है, तो वो एपिलेंट लोग हाई कोर्ट भी गया, गुजरात हाई कोर्ट भी कमीशन का जजमेंट को अपहेल किया है। दोज एब्यूसिंग द एक्ट शुड बी टेकिंग टू टास्क, वो देखेगा मुझे अभी।
सर और एक चीज पूछना था आपसे।
जी
जैसे कि कोई लोग जो डॉक्यूमेंट मांग रहा है, पर्सनल डॉक्यूमेंट्स, सपोज
जी
सर्विस रिलेटेड, वो
जी।
सब हम लोग दे सकता है क्या?
नहीं
सर्विस
नहीं,
का
आपका आपका नजर में, आपका विजडम में जो आप नहीं दे सकता है, सोचता है, आप एक्ट को भी पढ़ लीजिएगा। उसका
अभी
उसका एक लोकस स्टैंडर्ड होना पड़ेगा, लोकस स्टैंडर्ड तो एक होना पड़ेगा। आप बेफिजूल में आपका सर्विस रिकॉर्ड्स को कोई आके मांगेगा, आपका पीआईओ, आप कैसे उसको देगा? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने और मैंने या किसी ने कोई एग्जाम आपका साथ दिया है, तो आपको मिल गया। जो जिन्होंने नहीं मिला है वो आपका डॉक्यूमेंट्स मांग सकता है, दैट इज जेन्युइन, ही हैज ए लोकस स्टैंडर्ड टू सी दैट आपको कैसे मिला है। कहीं आपका फ्रॉड फॉर्जरी भी हो सकता है डॉक्यूमेंट्स, तो उसके चलते उसका चांस को काट दिया होगा, इन दैट केस तो देना पड़ेगा। बट अभी कोई एक्स वाई जेड Dick, Tom, Dick, Harry comes to your office, applies for the documents of someone else's, वो बिना रीजन का, तो हाउ कैन यू गिव इट?
वही है
एक
सर इशू जो
प्राइवेसी नाम का भी एक चीज होता है ना। अभी ये प्राइवेसी एक्ट अभी तक रूल्स नहीं बनाया दे पास, ये उसका अभी वो जल्दी निकालने से ठीक है। वो अभी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हो गया प्राइवेसी में, फंडामेंटल राइट ही उसको शायद बना दिया होगा। अभी तक रूल्स नहीं बनाया गवर्नमेंट ने।
हाँ,
आपका जो इंटरेस्ट को आप देखिएगा, लोकल स्टैंडर्ड को देखिएगा, एंड देन इफ he is applying for someone else's documents are in the interest of the general public, then you have to give. तो जिसका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं उस दिन, अभी
मैं
ऑनरेबल
अब
डेप्यूटी सीएम का कोई एसटी सर्टिफिकेट मांगा है, हम लोग कमीशन ने डिनाई किया, बिकॉज देयर इज नो पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट इन सीकिंग दैट और गिविंग दैट इंफॉर्मेशन टू हिम। ऐसा ऐसा होता है, पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट को भी थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू
जी,
सर।
ये मामू सोनो पीडब्ल्यूडी कलाक्तान। अपने इंफॉर्मेशन दे दिया उनको।
हाँ सर, लास्ट रेडी है, वो आया नहीं है। हियरिंग में भी वो एब्सेंट था,
जी
तो उसमें अभी तक तो है रेडी करके रखा हुआ है। 14 नंबर्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस है, टोटल 57 ऑलरेडी बाय पोस्ट
जी, इसको रिपोर्ट करो, और 3 नंबर वाला पड़ेगा करना। द appellant absent consecutively for the second time despite notice of today's hearing issued to him on 23rd September 2025 by this submission. The PIO present heard the PIO. The PIO stated that this appellant has filed 14 Form A application seeking various information for various schemes under the division of the PIO. Confirming to the RTI Act 2005, the PIO has compiled and ready all the information for the 14 applications, out of which the appellant has been provided already 11 certificate. No?
Yes, sir. 11 or other please, sir. Total 25. 25 means 11 daily. But
25 देखो 14 है 25 14 लगेगा ना out of which 11 have been 11 application. The information for 11 application has already been sent to post office here by post to the appellant's address as given in the Form A. The rest informations are also ready. Had the had the appellant turned up today, I would have inquired from him whether he will receive the information personally or it should be sent through post.
sir, first hearing में वो personally collect करेगा.
Okay, yes. और उसको report करो. It is to be noted that in the first hearing, the appellant had submitted, agreed before his court that that he will collect the information from the office of the PIO personally. तो आगे लिखना पड़ेगा. अभी एक वर्ड बोलेगा उसको फिर आगे बाद में upon the submission that submission of the PIO that all informations are ready and the appellant can collect it from his office anytime during working days. इसको आगे करो उसके बाद इसको पीछे. हम लोग सर I'll dispose या dismiss this disappear. उसको information provide करने का भी नहीं है. This is the third time, no? First, in the first hearing he said he'll collect it. Second hearing he was absent, and today also he's consecutively absent without giving us the reasons. So instead of providing him the information, I will dismiss this appeal with an order that he cannot be filing the same set of application for the same set of information from you with that order. Yeah. Hearing वो commission observes लिखा ना नंबर 2 में despite notice issued, the appellant Sri Mamu Sono to be present in the third hearing he has absented today, which signifies his non-seriousness of this appeal and thereby unnecessarily wasting the public resource of public resource, which means the PIO come PWD Sang division serves the public on a day-to-day basis at his office, but when such second appeal is filed before the epic, the PIO has to travel all the way from his office to Itanagar and waste 3 days in in coming coming to Itanagar and in presenting in the hearing and then again going back to his office. In these 3 days of time, not many public who are in need of the services of the PIO at his office are harassed without any fault. In the attempt to streamline and check check the misuse and abuse of the RTI and the PIO's office, such non-serious appellant appeal should not unnecessarily be heard beyond the provision of the procedural law of the country. And therefore, under the above stated facts, the Commission hereby dismiss this appeal ex parte with no liberty given to the appellant to file for fresh application for the same set of information from the office of the same PIO. All cases mentioned because 14222 subconditions 57. If he comes for the information, if they are ready, if you will, you can give. If you don't will, you don't need to give because I dismiss his appeal. No. Siddhakar Jammu versus ESC Lekang. This is a new case.
Yes, sir. So regarding this case, I want a request for closure.
Okay.
The reason is that actually I had filed for this enrollment to the panchayat,
Yes.
like election enrollment.
Yes.
Then in the initial stage, my application form was accepted.
Yes.
Then for whatever reasons, I do not know. After 6 days, they informed me that the reason I think it is political.
Yes.
That my the application form was rejected.
Okay.
And the reason being that my application was actually 4 days late. So through the BLO.
Okay.
Then for that case, I had asked for the reason, the RTI. Then in the RTI, they had already mentioned particularly that I was initially accepted, but later on I was rejected. Then there's a lot of lacuna regarding this. Seeing the Panchayat elections right in the corner, I thought that was not relevant enough. But I thought that in future the system should be properly followed. I had spoken with the DC also.
Yes.
And he was also of the same opinion that the system being followed by the EAC is wrong.
Yes.
So they had asked me since the time is gone right now.
Yes. Now it's gone.
And you take up the matter like for application for registration and enrollment to the panchayat next time.
They have a tribunal, I think. They have a tribunal
Yeah.
to address all these issues.
Yes, I had already written an application to the State Election Commission also. Yesterday
I
we had
think there is a panchayat tribunal, something like that. If
Yeah, there
I'm
is,
not
there is.
wrong, to
Yeah.
try all this. See, yesterday was this day. No,
Mm.
if yesterday the procedure is, if yesterday there were some complaints regarding some candidate, today is the hearing day. Today the election officer has to hear the case and then decide, or if not, he'll send it to the tribunal. That is the procedure. I don't know how it is now, because I too was a panchayat leader that time as ZPM and also chairperson. No, BJP, first BJP, ZPM and chairperson, maybe I was the first one.
Yes, sir. Same case, I asked them also. Yeah, after this enrollment process, if the applicants are rejected, then they are given due time
Yes.
for appeal. But no appeal, no letter was issued or notice issued from a department. That also we had discussed. Then subsequently, I had given more RTIs. There I found more lacunas. So I'm following up the next RTI. तो जैसे कि इसको but ये RTI को हम close करना चाहते हैं because now it's not relevant enough.
No, yes. No, but then I will also let you know that in any of the RTI form or application, no, you cannot be asking interrogative questions like yes or no.
Yes.
You can ask for the documents or information because you are not an investigating agency or an individual appointed by the so investigative questions, the interrogative questions are yes or no, yes or no, yes, accepted or rejected. Okay, fine. This can be asked. Remember, these are actually not allowed. Yeah, you cannot be asking yes or no questions.
That I do understand.
Yeah.
The
So,
reason-
but now you'll be withdrawing this application. Okay, fine.
Sir, because the reason is also that why I have yes or no. Because whenever I send a query related to the registration process, they'll just hand me over the. In the book, there is no particular mentioning of any
Yes.
such.
So you should have actually no. What you should have done is what you should have was present. Whether Sri Sakarjam was present in Panchayat hearing held in the piece of the. So here you could have asked the list of the candidates present in the Panchayat hearing held in office of the ESC. So then, obviously, your name would be there among other names, no? So instead of asking a question, thing, whether application of Sri Takarjamo enrolled under certain such was accepted, if so, or rejected for what reasons, specify the rules, acts, regions. तो देन things means अभी कुछ नहीं अगले बार में कुछ भी होने से what is the present enrollment and इसमें भी the enrollment number, house number or list whatever of Sri Takar Jammo as per your record. Then they will be providing you a single page, no? These are things. इसमें आपने question mark ही सब question ही कर दिया. Anyway, लिखो इसमें appellant present,
I'll change it.
the PIO absent despite notice for this hearing sent to him on 17/9/25. 17 September, I think. Yes, 17 September. 17/9/25. Heard the appellant. The appellant stated that the information sought for is no more relevant now as the panchayat elections are over, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So under this fact, I withdraw this appeal. इतने से देखो वैसे एक फैक्ट है नीचे में अंडर द above stated facts and circumstances this appeal is withdrawn as per the request of the appellant himself and therefore this appeal is disposed of and closed once for all. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Kasung President and John Tara Bhake, Department of Art and Science and Himalayan Studies, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Kasung President and John Bhake. You are the PIO.
Yes.
Okay. Department of Art and Science and Himalayan Studies. Okay, okay.
The Department of Science and Technology.
Okay.
It was bifurcated from the state remote sensing in the October 2021.
Yes.
So we are separately we are functioning, but under the Department of Science and Technology.
The PIO present. PIO come director is PIO come. What is your designation?
My assistant scientific officer.
Assistant scientific officer. PIO come. You are the PIO, right?
Yes, sir.
PIO come assistant scientific officer, Department of Art and Science.
So actually, that is a Center for Arts, Science and Himalayan Studies.
Okay, Center for, not department.
This is
Center for.
I can show you this one.
Center for
Art Sciences.
Art. EARTH.
EARTH.
Yes, they have written art. EARTH.
Yeah, Art
Sciences
and Himalayan Studies.
Yes. Holy Center for Art, Sciences and Himalayan Studies, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Canada. Heard the PIO. So whatever the informations they have asked from you, what do you have to say on this? Are they all qualified to be given to them, or are some of them exempted, or all the informations do you have with you? These are the things which I hear from the PIO, even if the appellants are absent. Had the appellant been here, I would have scolded them a bit.
So what I find that since our is purely a scientific organization.
Yes.
We were through notification we are bifurcated from remote sensing October 2021. in the 6th October,
Yes, yes.
notification through the government gazette.
Yes.
Since from November 2022, we are fully functioning.
Okay.
So it is hardly we are in the 3 to 4 years we are functioning.
Yes.
And our is purely scientific, and I have seen that this the appellant has the information is taking is not specific and not clear also.
लिखो स्थिति नंबर 1 सर का रिकॉर्ड करते हो तुम लोग the application is not specific and does not have any clarity also. Then
And moreover, it's vague and voluminous.
yes, weight, PHGUE and voluminous.
And I also find that sir, it involves third party personal information.
Next, one point, the information sought also involves third-party information
And personal information.
and personal information, which cannot be provided under the apply here. कुछ उस पर हम बाद में ठीक करेंगे. So you mean to say that the application by the applicant should be specific and very clear as to what they want. If the applications are specific and clear, you will be providing the information, those that are not exempted under RTI. Yes. That is good. One more thing, had they come today, because I have seen they are law students. So law students should be well abreast of the laws, no? RTI Act doesn't provide dual or triple or group applications. It provides for a single individual. A person may apply information. But here there are persons, not persons. Two people are persons. Two people cannot be called as a person. So the Act mentions a person. Here there are two people. That I would have told them कि अब लोग का ये ठीक नहीं है ये इसको ठीक करो करके. Now तो I'm not amending Form A's anymore. पहले तो हम बेचारा कोई नादान है, innocent है, they don't know the law करके I used to amend their application. Now I don't give such chances. देखा गया है ill intention का साथ ही आता है. ये इतना सारा आपका उसमें जरूरी भी नहीं है ना.
इतना पॉइंट्स है ना सर, अब टोटल 18 पॉइंट्स मांगा है उनको.
I'm seeing.
If you go through one by one, तो हमने आपका एक टू पॉइंट है जहाँ पर आपका 9 में सर ना, sorry 10, year number 10, detail of weather monitoring projects executed ongoing including. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट IMD इंडियन मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट उन ही प्रोजेक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट करता है. तो since 2-3 years we are coordinating and we are doing the land acquisition from the district administration for the IMD. We don't have any kind of involvement in this. हम सिर्फ they do the tender by themselves, international global tender जो भी है करता है. तो ऐसे ऐसे चीज जो पूछा है यहाँ में, they are उन लोग कुछ confusion है I think. They are not well aware of these projects.
अब खराब नहीं पाना है. Now I am saying this in open court also. यहाँ का अब एक पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी का लड़का लोग ही ज्यादातर इसमें रहता है.
तो सर हम भी वही कम्युनिटी है, हम भी बिलोंग करते हैं. तो
all over
I also discourage this kind of things. Unless हम आज भी थोड़ा तो लगे.
They would be filing RTIs in all the departments, in all the districts. ये कहाँ पे? This is not legal also. और बोलेगा ये तो एक है, एक को तो आप कैसे एब्यूज करेगा? How can you misuse the act?
एक में आप जैसे कि लॉ स्टूडेंट, थर्ड पार्टी आप देखना चाहिए ना.
नहीं प्लस वो लोग लॉ स्टूडेंट एक तो प्रेसिडेंट एक विजिलेंस सेक्रेटरी है. तो आप भर के तो आना चाहिए कि आप 2-3 आदमी एप्लीकेशन नहीं दे सकता है, एक ही आदमी दे सकता है.
सर और if they are very serious they should have appeared today. आया नहीं है, हम भी थोड़ा रुक रहे हैं.
हाँ वही तो. Let us see, but see law में we have to give a fair chance of hearing to you also, to them also. Had you been absent today and they been